Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And hopefully everybody had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is weekend. And we are in the holiday rush, guys. So you might want to click the link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. I'm sure you guys will not be disappointed with this item today. Something really cool. Something you need in your house right about now with everything going on. Oh boy. Okay. Here we go. Take a look at this little guy. If you got bad air quality is low, get one of these Cozmor, the GT2 filters, kitchen odors, pet smells, smoke, fumes. Got the smoke. This is coming from Cozmor G220 air purifier, CleanFuse technology. Ooh. Easy operation. Here's that. And here's the back. So this is what it looks like when you get it from Amazon. And now we're going to see what's inside and how it runs. I got a plug, so I just got to plug it in and test drive this thing. This would be a nice housewarming gift also, or just a Christmas gift. Save Santa a trip. All you gotta do is just click the link and they'll ship your shoes back. It's like Christmas. Have the wrapping paper already? Yeah, make sure you guys pick up some wrapping paper also. So, there we go. Alrighty, guys. She is out of package and ready to breathe. Cozmor. Here we go. That looks alright. Got the top. Oh man. Hold on. Alright, speaking of the devil, Amazon just showed up. So we'll get this right going now. It was just weird. So you say their name, they come. There we go. Come at the top, and then this side. Alright, guys. Here we go. Drop her down. Drop you guys down. There we go. We got the manual. And now here's the fun stuff. Man. There we go. There we go. Get that out of the way. Get that out of the way. Oh, this is a nice one. Alright, alright. Where's the front? Ooh, this is definitely a nice one. Alright, alright. Come on out. There we go. That's gone. There's the inside. Kind of looks like a spaceship rocket. Oh, this is a nice filter. Alright, guys. You might want to grab some popcorn. Oh. And relax a little bit, because we are rolling now. Ooh, take a look at that. Just gotta shove it in. Lock it in. Lock it in. Now here's the cord goes here. I gotta find the cord. Aha. Those tapes on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Here is a cord it comes with. Like, oh no. Didn't think I had one. Well, it comes with one, so you guys are all set. And there we go. This is a different style than the usual. Alright. We're gonna twist this. Set this up really fast. But definitely a nice one to get somebody this year. Maybe get yourself a couple, since we are gonna be at home for a while, guys. But we'll make it through this. Guarantee we'll make it through it. Gotta believe. There we go. Just plug it in. Get down, get down. There we go. Cheerio. I think she's in the hole. Okay, what does this thing do? Huh? Mystery component. I think I'm gonna read the manual for a second. It had like a extra air socket. Well, yeah, this is definitely a nice one to get though. Really nice. Open your camera app, aim the barcode. Oh, you can register your product, all that good stuff. Okay, what is the side thingy? Infrared sensor. Ah. Alright, so I don't know if I need it on, or do I just... It should be alright. But it's infrared, it should go right through where that little dot is. Alright, we already saw enough of the back. Now let's take a look at the front. That's where the action's at. It's all about the front. There we go. Ain't no future in your front. Alright, I'm gonna time to unplug Alexa. Any hand. Whoops. Top. Cozmor Air. Kind of looks like an Xbox new one. Or a PS4 colors. Ooh, this is going to be light up LED style. There's a fan. Sky cam. Yeah. Over, down. Plug her in. You're going to see it light up. Well, nice little jingle. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that jingle. I gotta love you too. Okay, power goes on. Whoa. Oh, I feel it. Oh yeah. Now what does this button do? It's futuristic. Hour, 2, 3. It's a nice little code. Oh, that's fan speed. Ooh. Oh, I feel it. Oh, it feels good, guys. Oh, yeah. Nighttime, so you don't have to see that. Okay. That's cool. I'm not sure what the UG/M3 equals. Maybe that's how much air is coming out. I'm not too sure. PM 2.5 shows up there, and it keeps going up in numbers. Alright, let's put this for a second. Oh, wow. Oh, this would help if your room's like really humid. Oh, yeah. Oh, this feels good, guys. This is a nice. Also, check out their website, too. I'll leave the links down below for that. I notice the difference already. Oh yeah. So I got a little dog still, but it's a short haired Chihuahua Applehead. But especially with dogs with hairy, this will help clean up. I just don't know what those two buttons mean. Or the two LED. A is the air quality indicator. B is a check filter indicator. C, child pet lock. D, fan speed, we already did. Sleep mode, we already did. Timer, we already set. G, on and off, I already showed you. H is this thingy down at the bottom. This is H. H is going to be called the air outlet. I is top. I is called air inlet. J is a true HEPA 3 stage filter. See, tells everything on it, but I still don't see where it shows the what that means, the numbers. I think I'm alright though with the air quality in this room, but my other room gets kind of hot and humid in there. Oh, this feels good, guys. Yeah, don't sleep on this software right now. They got huge, I guess, middle of Christmas sale. So check it out. You won't be disappointed. Cozmor. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.